Welcome back to the one and only V8X, your ultimate destination for cars, power, innovation, and the future of automotive design. If you love speed, style, and mind-blowing engineering, then V8X is exactly where you belong. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most electrifying machines coming out of Japan, the 2026 Toyota MR2 concept, a car that has officially rewritten the rulebook for affordable supercars. The moment you lay eyes on it, the front view hits you like a shockwave. The razor-sharp LED headlights, the deep aerodynamic cuts, and that molten chrome-orange mirror finish create a presence that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Toyota didn't just design a car, they sculpted a futuristic weapon for the road. Every line at the front is aggressive, intentional, and built to slice through the air. Move to the side view, and the MR2 becomes even more dramatic. The long, low aerodynamic bodyline, the massive chrome performance wheels, and the bold curves make this machine look like it's doing 200 miles per hour even while parked. The side profile screams precision engineering, with every vent and every sculpted line contributing to performance, cooling, and stability. Now let's talk about the back view, where this beast truly flexes its attitude. The razor-thin taillights glow like red neon blades, while the wide stance and futuristic diffuser give the MR2 a true supercar personality. The rear spoiler, bathed in orange reflections, completes the look of a car designed to dominate highways and racetracks alike. Slip inside and you're greeted by a dashboard straight out of tomorrow. A holographic digital cluster, ambient lighting, carbon fiber finishes, and molten chrome-orange accents bring the perfect blend of luxury and futurism. The cockpit wraps around the driver like a fighter jet, making the entire interior feel immersive, focused, and absolutely thrilling. Pop the hood and the engine view delivers the next level of excitement. A high-performance hybrid setup with electrified components glowing under the studio lights. This is Toyota's message to the world. The future of speed is hybrid, powerful, and beautifully engineered. From above, the drone shot captures the MR2 gliding through the open road like a polished bullet. The reflections dancing across the body, the long sweeping shadows, and the bold stance show off the car's design in all its glory. On the highway, the MR2 transforms into a rolling flame. The chrome-orange body reflects every beam of light, the wheels spin like liquid metal, and the entire car feels alive with motion. It's fast. It's fierce. It's unforgettable. And when night falls, the night shot turns the MR2 into a neon predator. The mirror body glows under city lights, the headlights cut through the darkness, and the car becomes part of a futuristic world of reflections, colors, and pure energy. Toyota estimates the 2026 MR2 to start around $60,000 to $70,000, delivering supercar looks at a price that actually makes sense. This is the future, and V8X is here to bring it to you.